As the world holds its breath in collective anticipation the Boeing 777X's entry into service, we're reminded that the industry is also saying goodbye to the queen of the skies, the Boeing 747. The 777 series will soon become Boeing's largest commercial aircraft in production. But how does it compare to the older 747? Last year, British Airways placed a sizable order of 18 777-9 aircraft to replace its fleet of retiring 747 aircraft. Within a press release seen by Simple Flying, former International Airlines Group CEO Willie Walsh said, "The new B777X9 is the ideal replacement for the Boeing 747, and its size and range will be an excellent fit for the airline's existing network. This aircraft will provide further cost efficiencies and environmental benefits, with fuel cost per seat improvements of 30% compared to the Boeing 747. Ultimately, the big question is if the 777X is truly a good replacement for the 747. The smaller 777-8 can transport 384 passengers, while the 777-9 will carry up to 426 customers. When it comes to range, the 777-8 can fly up to 8,730 nautical miles, or 16,170 kilometers, while the 777-9 can fly up to 7,285 nautical miles, or 13,500 kilometers. These numbers are good challenges to the different variants of the 747 over the decades. While the 747 was well suited for the era in which it was developed, times have certainly changed and that suitability is no longer present. While it would be wonderful to keep using the same design with the latest technologies and efficiencies, it's just not a good fit for the current aviation climate. The 777X is a modern reimagining of a 747, meeting the requirements of point-to-point travel, passenger comfort, and corporate belt-tightening. The initial hope was for the 777X to join fleets as early as 2020. However, with production issues and the pandemic, Boeing now expects the first delivery to happen in 2022. Meanwhile, the outgoing 747 is being rapidly let go by airlines amid the pandemic. The Queen was already on her way out as carriers opted for modern twin jets instead, but the current circumstances are seeing retirement dates moved forward. At the moment, the market is going through a transition as it recovers from the present conditions. Altogether, carriers won't be concerned about the 777X delay as it actually gives them more time to restructure and introduce the plane in a better economic environment. Therefore, with the retirement of the veteran jumbos being catalyzed, a new player will be arriving just at the right time. Boeing bills the 777X to be the largest and most efficient twin-engine jet in the world. It's expected to bring airlines 12% lower fuel consumption and 10% lower operating costs than the competition. While the plane maker promotes that the 777-8 will compete directly with the A350-1000, it classes the 777-9 to be in a league of its own. So, airlines are set to have many of the benefits of the classic 747, but with much desired improvements in efficiency. All in all, it's a perfect fit for what airlines need in the modern jet age. Do you think that the Boeing 777X is a suitable replacement for the 747? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Did you know that we publish over 175 stories every single week on simpleflying.com? Be sure to check the link in the description for more great stories just like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe before you go.